What else can be more engrossing than kicking off the year 2022 with the most durable financial plan ever? If I'm not wrong, you have probably watched hundreds of videos on the make money niche. I won't say these videos aren't authentic enough, but to be honest, they lack the most important factor that prevents an individual from eventually earning 5 to 6 figures online. Don't worry, I've got this section sorted for you guys. Okay, today's topic is how to earn money online in 2022. Watch this video and trust me, you'll find yourself financially stable before 2023 makes an appearance, provided you listen to me really carefully. Look, there's no denying that 2021 was rough, mainly due to the COVID pandemic. But the havoc turned out to be least affecting the finance department. Yes, you heard it right. 2021 was financially a pleasing year for those who have streamlined their income sources. Streamlined in a sense, organized. For instance, the scenes revolving around mutual fund investors were thrilled to see their investment churning out good return in 2021. The 30-share benchmark has added a whopping 72 lakh crore rupees during 2021 to investors' wealth. The BSE Sensex made history this year by breaching the 50,000 mark for the very first time. It was also the year of blockbuster IPOs. As we enter 2022, here are our list of ways in which you can earn more money online. Number 1. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are one of the booming investment areas in the current scenario. They are digital currencies that have no physical presence. They have proved to be one of the greatest investments along with crypto mining. As this technology keeps evolving, it is believed that currencies might overtake traditional assets as an investment option. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin have given a massive return recently, says Manoj Dalmia, founder and director. Okay, before proceeding any further, make sure you subscribe to us and hit the notification bell. Don't waste your time thinking you won't get such valuable content anywhere on the internet. Number 2. Stock. Talking about the stock, Dr. Ravi Singh, the Vice President of Share India, recommended 5 top stocks, namely PSU Lender, State Bank of India, GAIL, HDFC Bank, TCS and ONGC. Number 3. Real estate. They are the evergreen investment option today. Real estate will boom in the upcoming days. According to Manoj Dalmia, one can even look for REITs if the capital is small. Number 4. Blogging. What you will notice about in this list is that there are a tons of tactics to choose from. Some ideas making money more than others. The truth is, passive income is a myth. You always need to grind, hustle and work hard to make real money. Suppose you look for information on how to start a blog. In that case, most high-ranking articles from successful bloggers about making money online feature ideas like online surveys, banner ad, being a virtual assistant, secret shopping, or opening a cashback credit card. But how much money will this bring? $5, $10, or $200 a month? That's not enough, right, to make any material impact? And to be honest, I'm getting sick of this old lazy advices. If you have a full-time job, you need to maximize your side income as quickly as possible. To do this, you need to scale up your processes. Here's the truth. 95% of bloggers are failing because they follow outdated blogging advice. But don't worry, blogging is by far one of the best ways to earn money. If you're good at writing, use it. Don't waste your skills. Just write it down and you'll succeed one day. But you need to be really patient because it may take some time. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. The last one on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a term that refers to the model of selling stuff for other people in exchange for a commission. This can be anything from physical products such as clothes or shoes to digital products such as software. It's also known as contextual marketing because it works well when you find a niche that has a lot of demands in certain areas and then market your items to them. There are many ways to monetize affiliate marketing. Okay, the first way is by generating traffic through SEO or search engine optimization. This involves creating a website that will rank high in the search engine and attract people who want to find your product and services for sale. The second way is by offering direct sales, where you sell your own product on your site or through an e-commerce store such as Amazon or eBay. You can also partner with others to offer their products, such as when you are selling items from wholesalers sites like Alibaba. The third way is by offering paid advertising, where you sell ad space on your site or other websites. This can be through Google AdSense, which require a small amount of money up front to start out with but pays more if the ads are clicked on and viewed. You can also advertise your product directly to people interested in them via social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. With all three methods, affiliate marketers can make higher income. There is no limit on the earning potential of the affiliate marketer, and it solely depends on the effort and the niche. A successful affiliate marketer can make anywhere between 6 to 7 figures per month. So that's all for today. As promised, the answers are short and to the point. In case you want me to cover any of this method in the most detailed yet user-friendly manner, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye.